how to turn off censorship on character AI. Now, censorship basically refers to something that is against the rules and guidelines, or maybe that is something very adultery. Now, in this case, it could also be referred to as an NSFW, which is not safe for work type of content. And if you want to turn off censorship on character AI, first of all, let me tell you that there isn't a direct button or a single setting that you can use within the character AI app to be able to disable or enable censorship, or in this case NSFW filter. This is usually automated by the algorithm itself. However, it doesn't mean that you cannot. What you can do is, whenever you're conversating with a certain AI character over here, in that case, maybe you might have been trying to ask things or say things too directly, and that is why it detects it. The algorithm picks it up and then detects it as censored. In this case, you simply want to try to ask and use innocent words, and then after that, maybe the censorship will actually be disabled and you should be able to converse on character AI without any other issues. I hope that this video pretty much helped you out and given you a list idea on what you can do, and the rest is up to you, by the way. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.